Hello folks, so this is exactly how I enter my trade every single time I take a trade. This entry strategy is one of the easiest and most reliable entry strategy you can ever see outside. Okay, it only involves few steps and you're good to go. Now this was a trade I took yesterday on the 7th of January on GBPUSD, and I'd love to share it to you because this is my A plus setup, A plus entry. This is what I look for every single time I go into the market. I'll be giving some important tips, so I urge you to stay till the end of the video so you wouldn't miss any part. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, I'd love to draw an illustration of what I am looking for in the market. And this is it, guys. It doesn't even take much time. What I want to see in the market is, if I'm expecting a bearish market, I want to see something like this, something like this, maybe a manipulation to the downside, tricking the retail traders that, okay, they're about to start selling, but it's a lie. The market goes back up to take this liquidity and thereby form a break of structure, then coming back down to form your change of character or the market structure shift. And guys, okay, so now pay attention to this point. Usually whenever you see a swing movement downward this way, you should expect FVGs within this range. Okay, within this range. And again, take notes, the FVG can be two. The imbalance can come in two places. You might have one down here and one up here. So guys, take note, if you have two FVG on a swing, on a dealing range just like this, what you expect to do is to follow the first FVG. Okay, because price always respect the first FVG, like the closest FVG to you. Most times it doesn't, it doesn't get to the second FVG, and that is what we call the breakaway gap. So when you see an impulsive move downward or a displacement downward, just know that you're picking the first. In case there is two FVG, just know you're picking the first or the closest FVG to you. All right, so I want to see something like this or like this. Yes, like this. Let's say like this, then down, then I'll be expecting a downward movement like this. Okay, so now guys, this is it. I'll be having my FVG here. Maybe let's say there is an let's see, there is an FVG around this place. Yes, and there is another one around this place. Guys, this is exactly the example of what I'm talking about. So if you notice two FVG and a displacement, just pick the one closer to you. It is very, very important, guys. Do not do otherwise. All right, so this is what I want to see before I enter the market. All right, I want to see a manipulation downward, tricking the retail traders that, okay, it's about to start selling, but no, it goes up to take out this liquidity and form a buy stop, then comes back down to form a market structure shift, goes back to the FVG above, which is this place, then we're expecting a displacement downward, and this is where you take your entry, guys. This place is where you take your entry. Okay, so now let me walk you through this process on the chart. All right, now this was the trade I took, so let me zoom it out a bit so you can see it clearly. As you can see, this movement is exactly my entry, like my entry strategy. Oh, this is just so good, guys. Like, so now let's draw the illustration on this chart. Okay, so let's pick our tool. This is it. We have this coming back down, tricking the retail traders, like I said, then price moving upward to take out that liquidity, comes back down to form our market structure shift, went back, guys, to the FVG, the market left. And guys, you notice something, the market actually has two different FVG, this one and this one. And if you remember what I told you always aim for the nearest FVG to you. Do not mind this one. This is what we call a breakaway gap. It's an FVG that the market left and didn't respect. Yes. So as you can see, it came here and entered the FVG, and voila, it came downward. I want to hit my TP successfully. Okay. Yeah, so guys, that's it. So let me take this off now. Taking this off, let me draw this FVG so you can see it clearly. All right, this is our FVG here. It's a very teeny tiny FVG. All right, but it still respected it. So that's it, guys. That's it. So let me highlight this so you can see it clearly. Yes, so that's it, guys. And as you can see, it respected it smoothly. And this is the 15-minute time frame, guys. Respected it smoothly. So I also want you to notice something, guys. This actually happened. So I'd like to tell you about timing. So this is part of the important point I said I was going to mention earlier. Guys, timing is very important. What did I say? Very important. When you want to enter your market and you know you want to use this particular entry method, you have to use it alongside with your time. And the time for you to enter your trade for this particular entry strategy is, you have to look for your entry from 7 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. New York session. Okay, always, guys, do not play with this time. If you go to the market and you try to buy at the wrong time or sell at the wrong time, you will lose your money. So please follow this timing rules, guys. Like, I might create a video especially to explain to you how important the timing is, for you to understand why you should actually wait for those time before you enter your trade. Okay, so if you're in Nigeria, the best time to start looking for your entries from 1 o'clock in the afternoon to about 4 p.m. Okay, 4 o'clock in the evening. Okay, just be patient, guys. Like, you can never go wrong with this timing. As you can see, okay, let me zoom in, guys, and show you what I'm talking about. Are you seeing when this trade came into this FVG? What time is this, guys? This is 8:30. And from what time to what time do I say you should look for your entry? From 7 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. New York session. I'm not saying Nigerian time, New York session. Always follow this rule, and guys, I promise you will always see, like, this setup always presents itself if not every single day in the market, every other day you will always see this setup, guys. So, like, yeah, for me, I feel like this is like one of the easiest way to enter your market, to enter a trade. Okay, and as you can see, it hit our TP successfully without any stress at all. So guys, if you want me to show you like how I predict, how I read my chart, and make my analysis on a daily basis before I get to this entry point, just let me know in the comment section and I will gladly do that. Okay, so guys, don't forget, this is just my entry strategy. I didn't analyze from higher time frame to when I got to this time frame. Okay, and this movement is fractal, guys. That means it can happen on any time frame, whether you switch to a 5-minute time frame, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 15, 1 hour, whatever. It is fractal. You'll always see this movement. All right, it just depends on you. Like, you just have to work on your eyes, train your eyes very well to see this movement every single time in the market. Okay, all right, so till we meet again, see you guys on my next video, and bye. Thanks for watching.